subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. It said just attention please. These science experiments you cannot do alone at home. You need an adult. My mom's helping me. The first science experiment name is fire smoke. We need some stuff. We need a fork. We need a pencil. We need 2 glasses, 1 glass of water, 1 empty giant glass, 1 candle and 1 paper. First, you put the pencil on the paper and you roll it. Fix it in the fork. Little bit tough, very hard. Keep it right here. Now you have a candle and I fire it. Now I'm gonna smoke is gonna come any time. Can you see smoke is coming from here in the water? Because of the fire. Fire comes up here and smoke goes down. And I'm gonna put some fire here. You know how does that smoke come down here? Because when the paper gets black, the smoke goes inside, it melts with the fire. This is fire smoke experiment. Please try at home with mom and adults. But my second experiment is 2 things. You need 1 coin and 1 balloon. I will tell you what to do with this. First, you have to put the coin inside the balloon. It's a little bit harder. I put the coin inside the balloon. Now blow the balloon. I have blown the balloon and tied it, and when I'm gonna spin it, the coin is gonna go round and round. You see it? I spin it. The coin spins around and round. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit the bell icon for more updates and subscribe my channel. Bye. See you next